Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering credentials and server details because Gmail needs them to fetch or send mail. Once you have the other account's email, password, and AMAP/POP and SMTP host names and ports, open Gmail settings and go to Accounts and Import. Make sure two-step verification and app password options are addressed now so you won't be blocked. Next, click Add a Mail account to begin linking. This first action creates the connection entry that you will configure in the next step. Once you click Add a Mail account, enter the full email address and choose whether to import with POP3 or simply send as that address. Choose POP3 to fetch existing mail or the send mail as flow for outbound identity. Then type the account username and password, set the POP server and port, and select SSL or TLS. Make sure to decide if Gmail should leave a copy on the original server and assign a label so messages stay organized. These options control retention and visibility. Finish by verifying ownership. Gmail sends a confirmation code to the linked account or prompts for an app password. Enter that code to activate sending and receiving. Once confirmed, send a test message from Gmail using the new from address and confirm inbound mail appears under the chosen label. If things fail, make sure ports and SSL/TLS match provider specs, re-enter the password or app password, and check that two-step or security locks aren't blocking access. This single troubleshooting check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.